Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see that how can we find the sum of each terms of Fibonacci series up to the limit. Now Fibonacci series starts from 0. Its first term is 0, second term is 1, and the third term will be the sum of the previous two terms. Similarly, here the next term will be 1 plus 1, which is 2, and again 2 plus 1, which is 3, and this will continue up to the nth term. Now, according to our question, we need to calculate the sum of each terms of the series. So, I have used import java.util.scanner so that I can use the scanner class for accepting the limit from the user as my input. So, let's create a scanner object. I will first declare some variables. First of all is say int limit, where I will store the limit. I will say the first variable as a, whose value is 0, second variable as b, whose value is 1, and the third variable as say term. And I also need a variable to calculate the sum whose value is 0, actually not 0, and I will use a loop variable which is gonna be I. So I will give a message to the user, enter a limit. So I will store that limit into this variable called limit, which is sc.nextInt, and I will declare the variable sum as b, because so that actually when the loop will be executed, then only the sum of each term will be calculated, and we will be first printing the first two terms, that is a and b, which is 0 and 1. So let's print the first two terms, a followed by a space and b followed by another space, and let's run the loop, which starts from 2, because the first two terms are executed here, are printed here, and I goes up to limit -1 and I plus plus. So let's calculate the term, where term equal to a plus b. Now when after each iteration, as you can see in this example, here a is 0, b is 1, and term is 1. After this iteration, a should be 1, b should be 1, and then the term will be a plus b, which is gonna be 2. So basically we need to swap the values of a and b, swap a and b. So a becomes b and b becomes term, and finally we will print the series term followed by a space, and we will calculate the sum of each term, and after the loop ends we will print the sum, which is sum. I guess there is no errors. Let's save the file and run it. It says enter a limit. If I press 5, you can see the series is showing here. It starts from 0, goes up to 3. There are 1 2 3 4 5 terms, and sum of each term of the series is 7. You can check it. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. Okay, so if you again give the limit as, say I will give at 10, then this is the series and the sum of each term is 88. What if I give another line so that it would be making more beautiful? Let's save it again and run it. Limit as 10. Okay, as you can see, the sum of the series is showing in the next line. which is quite good. So this was the basic program for how we can uh, calculate the sum of each terms of Fibonacci series up to that limit which is given by a user. And you can also update this program according to your logic or your thought or your idea, whatever you can say. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any query or new idea, then feel free to comment below. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.